Okay, so I was trying to replace the grip on the D700, and in case the part number wasn't clear before, this is the part number. I'll post it in the description. Anyway, so I pulled it off the old grip, and as you can see here, there used to be a loop, and that tore, it broke as I pulled it off, and there was this metal wire-like thing I could see going almost through the battery compartment up, and this loop was around the wire presumably, and it was holding it back, and ultimately it's broken off. But now I think I know what the issue was. So I just took out the battery, and I could hear a small thing rattling in there, and it was this tiny little screw. And what I think has happened is I can see a hole right at the top of the battery compartment. This is going to be hard to film. So if you can see, you won't be able to see. But let me point out where it is actually. Okay, so it's towards this corner inside the battery compartment. It's basically at the bottom. I mean, if you have your D700 with you, you will know. If you look through the battery compartment, look at the bottom, and this tiny screws from inside the battery compartment towards the click button, and in doing so it actually goes through this loop which is in the new grip. And so that's something I'm going to try now. So I'll keep the screw aside. So right now there is no wire, nothing holding back the complete insertion of the grip with this thing sticking out. So, and I'm not going to take off the glue right now because this is just a test to see if the theory is right or not. So let's say, yep, goes all the way in. Haven't stuck it, but now the thing is going to be remove the battery compartment, and it's going to be tricky because this tiny screw could go anywhere. So I have these tiny screwdrivers. I think I bought them on Amazon. They're I think for computer parts. I hope they are small enough for this. I think I'm going to use the tiniest of them. Yeah, that worked. And now this really tricky part of actually putting it all the way inside the battery compartment into the right hole. Pretty sure I'm going to screw this up, but let's see. Okay. Well, unfortunately the screwdriver is not magnetic, so it won't stick. And so I'm only going to try this once. If it doesn't work well, I'll try it offline and then play around with it, because I'm pretty sure this is going to fall off and get lost somewhere. So I don't want to show up as an idiot on YouTube. Well, actually, even without trying, I can tell this is going to be a futile exercise. This screw is going to drop off and it's going to roll inside the battery compartment. So, yeah. This will need new engineering to figure out how to put this all the way inside. I'll maybe make yet another video about this. So anyway, that's all for now. Bye bye.